Good evening, everyone. Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. So today, I want to show you how to make a solar outdoor chandelier. We've done one in the past. This one is simple, just takes a few minutes, and you literally, depending on how much you wanted to embellish it, would be how expensive or how cost efficient you would want it to be. So you could make this for as little as $2. These are the baskets, the hanging baskets from Dollar Tree that have the little chain. All you have to do is, let's cut our tag off. We're going to attach our chain back on this little lip right here. It's got 3 little lips, little hooks, places for your little hooks on your chain, you know, because the little basket comes with the chain. And I had bought quite a few of these at the first of the summer. So I know we've done the other solar chandelier and everyone loves it. And it's a little, there's a lot of pieces to it and it's a little complicated. But if you just wanted, you know, a simple little light, you know, for as cheap as $2, you could do this. Now, I added some little crystal beads to mine. So, I'll put the link in that, in the description for the ones that I got from Amazon. I don't remember, you can get small packages of beads and you can get large packages of beads. These are the ones that I've got, just the little chain beads. And they come in long strands. I ordered these because it's got the little wire loops. So, but here we have the basket turned upside down. It's got a place to hang. And so that's $1. And then this is the light from the Dollar Tree, the solar light. And y'all, I found out from a follower, when I made the other solar chandelier, I got informed that you can take the screws out and replace a battery in here, and you don't have to throw these away. You can keep them. So, I've got a piece of floral wire, and what I'm gonna do, because when you put this on there, it's gonna hang crooked. It may not fall through, but it's gonna look not so nice. So I'm just gonna take a little piece of floral wire, and you won't be able to see this. Well, and if you turn your wire the right way, we'll just go the other end. We'll just put it on here and twist it. Get some wire cutters. I like the floral wire sticks, the stick of wire. They're so convenient. And I'm just taking over here, gonna make a loop, just kind of making a V is what I'm doing. I just thought this would be a cute, simple project. Very cost efficient, easy, all the things. And you just slide it in there. Now it's not gonna fall through, it's not gonna sit crooked. And you probably can't see it real good right there. That one's blinking, I don't know what's with that. Let's see. This one's not blinking. That one may be going out. So if you just wanted a $2 Solar Chandelier. It's got entangled here. And there you go. When you get your chains all untangled, it'll hang quite nicely. But I ordered the little crystals, and you just it's kind of like a let me take this out. Kind of like one of those little keychain things. You have to split them apart, and then you just clip it down in there, and then I just unhook this with the length that I wanted it. And then you're going to go down here on the bottom and put it in there. And that's how simple it is. Now, I'm not going to make you sit here and, because going around that, it takes a few minutes, probably 10, 15 minutes. But I will show you this. I took the hot glue gun, and because this little crystal slides, I put it in the middle, and I put a little hot glue. Probably can't see me too good. Let's see. Right there. I did this. We've been having temperatures up in the 90s, and the heat index is probably upper 90s, close to 100. So mine has stayed and has not melted and faded off. So I'll show you this. And you just go around, and you could put as many or as few. You could put more than one per section. But this is the one that I have finished, and it's been hanging out for a couple of days. Where's my hook? Here it is. And see how pretty? It just looks, you know, feminine, dainty, with all the little crystals in it. I thought it was very cute. So let's go outside, and I'll show it to you in the dark. Hang on just a second, y'all. Get you down. Try not to take you on too wild of a ride here. And it's a little dark, but not too dark. Maybe it'll be dark enough that you can see. And see, it's not real dark, but that's one of the other solar chandeliers that we did. Yeah, it's gonna show. And I have a place right here to hang it. And it's right above my rose bush. See if I can get you right here. See my rose? Isn't that pretty? I just thought it was so pretty. Booger light came on. Here's the other little solar chandelier. One there. I'll just take y'all for a walk here. There's one here. There's another chandelier. So, okay. Well, thank y'all. I appreciate y'all watching, and let me know what you think about this solar chandelier. And if you make some, I have a Facebook page, Rachel's Unique Crafts VIP, and you can click to join that group, and we share pictures of the crafts that we've made. So click on that, join, and share your pictures of things that you've made. You can get ideas from other people, and then you can share your ideas that you've made. So thank y'all. I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And until next time, y'all get to crafting, make something pretty, and share it. See y'all later. Bye-bye.